What if I told you you're not really in control of your emotions? That a small part of your brain is quietly pulling the strings and you didn't even know it. Your brain isn't just for thinking or remembering stuff, it's the command center for every emotion you have ever felt: fear, anxiety, anger, happiness, and even love. And the interesting part, scientists have actually mapped out the exact parts of your brain that trigger these feelings. Hello viewers, I'm Kavya Khandelwal. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into the brain's emotional control room, how it works, why it sometimes fails, and what it means for your daily life. By the end, you will never look at your emotions the same way again. So, where do emotions actually come from? Deep inside your brain, there's a group of connected structures called the limbic system. Think of it like the emotional headquarters. It processes everything from joy to rage. Scientists argue a little about which exact parts are included, but most agree on these key players. First is hypothalamus. This tiny structure does a lot. It controls your emotional responses, regulates your hormones, keeps your body temperature steady, and even handles sexual behavior. Then comes hippocampus, your memory vault. It stores experiences and helps you understand where you are in space. Then comes limbic cortex, includes the cingulate gyrus and parahippocampal gyrus, areas that affect mood, motivation, and decision making. Here's the thing, emotions are supposed to help us survive, but sometimes the brain's wiring gets messy. Fear might trigger when there's no danger, anger might explode when it's not needed, or happiness might be hard to feel even in good moments. Let's break it down emotion by emotion. Number one is fear. From a survival standpoint, fear is your body's alarm system. The amygdala kicks things off. It spots danger and sends a signal to the hypothalamus, which flips the switch for the fight or flight response. Your adrenal glands then pump out adrenaline and cortisol. Your heart pounds faster, your breathing speeds up, your blood sugar spikes, and sweat starts rolling. Here's something new. People with damage to their amygdala often don't react to danger the same way. Imagine standing in front of a snarling dog and feeling nothing. That's how important this tiny brain structure is. Then comes anger. Anger is like fear's loud, aggressive cousin. When you can't escape a threat or when frustration builds, your brain shifts gears. The amygdala again signals the hypothalamus, but this time it prepares you to fight, not flee. Your prefrontal cortex also plays a role. It's supposed to keep your anger in check, but if it's damaged or underactive, controlling your anger becomes much harder. That's why injuries to the prefrontal cortex can sometimes lead to impulsive or aggressive behavior. Number 3, happiness. Happiness isn't just a good vibe, it has a location in the brain too. The limbic cortex is involved with another player, the precuneus. Also lights up when you are happy. The precuneus helps with memory recall and your sense of self. A 2015 study found that people with more gray matter in their right precuneus reported being happier overall. Basically, remembering good times and feeling connected to yourself can literally reshape your brain for happiness. Number 4, love. Now for the big one, love. It's not just poetry and romance, it's a chemical cocktail. When you fall in love, your hypothalamus starts the process, triggering the release of dopamine, your reward chemical, oxytocin, the bonding hormone, and vasopressin, linked to long-term attachment. The butterflies in your stomach feeling, that's actually your stress response at work, the same one that triggers when you are nervous or scared. Over time, oxytocin and vasopressin help calm that anxiety and creates a deeper, calmer bond. Here's the twist. While the limbic system runs the show, you can influence it. Mindfulness, therapy, exercise, and even the way you breathe can change how your brain processes emotions. Your emotional control room might be buried deep inside your skull, but it's not untouchable. You can literally rewire your brain over time. So the next time you feel your heart racing from fear, your blood boiling with anger, and that warm glow of love, remember, it's not magic, it's biology. The limbic system, your hypothalamus, your amygdala, they are all working together behind the scenes, running the emotional show. Which emotion do you think controls you the most? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow The Edge.